Hi, I hope you're all doing well. And today we are going to be looking at transformation function. And this is an extension of what you did in geometry. And it's only that we are going to apply it to algebraic functions. And I want us to start by looking at the parent functions. The first one here is a quadratic function. Second one here is a square root function. The next one is an absolute value function. Next one is a cube function. And the last one here is a rational function. So these are the functions we are going to look at. But I want you to also pay attention to the variables I have introduced here. I have the variable a, I have the variable h, and variable k. And these are the variables we are going to use to show transformation of functions. I want you to remember from geometry that you looked at gyrations, you looked at translations, and you also looked at refraction. Those are the three we are going to consider in this video. So here, A represents the vertical stretch of the graph. So the graph could be vertically stretched, so it's like you are pulling it up. Or it could be vertically compressed, which we can also call the shrink. And A also does one more thing when it's negative. So it reflects the graph over the x-axis. Now let's move on to the next variable, h. For me to remember h, it's always good when you can remember a way to remember something. So h shows the horizontal movement, and what h does here, it moves the graph left or to the right. Now the value k, when I think about k, I remember the kite moves up and down, and k moves the graph up and down. So those are the variables you see in all these graphs. It doesn't matter what kind of parent function it is, they all do the same thing. So that's a general overview of the transformation functions. In the next videos, I'm going to demonstrate on decimals how to do the transformations.